Hi everyone, welcome back to the MnREIA. In today's property walkthrough tip, we're going over a quick tip on whether or not it is worth it to do a property by yourself. When going through a property and running the numbers for repair, it is important to understand that most repair and budgets are done with having a contractor doing the work. The reason for this is a lot of the times when you don't have a contractor, it's going to take up to twice as long to rehab that property. Let's hand it over to Mike and see what he has to say about this topic.
And that's my budget. Our goal at this point is just to get a really rough number of whatever our contractor is going to come up with if we're going to go through the property. Now, I'm thinking it's going to cost around 47, so probably 45 to 50 to have a contractor come through here and do everything that I would want to have done and make the property in mint condition. But if we were going to do the work ourselves, are we going to spend that kind of money? No, we're going to spend a lot less than that. However, it's going to be offset with the amount of time it's going to take us. Like we were talking to Sarah, I said, well, I usually have a contractor do it, but my husband just, what did you say, retired or quit?
Quit his job, yeah.
Quit his job to do this. I'm like, double the amount of time. Because now you're going to be doing it by yourself, so it takes a lot longer than hiring a contractor to come in and do the projects for you. So you can definitely do it for a lot less.
As you guys can see, Mike automatically assumes it's going to be double the time to do a property when he's doing the work himself. But when planning to do an entire rehab by yourself, it's best to add on a handful of months extra to a regular repair or rehab. Finding a contractor can save you lots of time, which in the end might save you tons of money. It depends on your situation. If you guys thought this video was helpful, please share with someone who may need this information, and we'll see you guys next week.